meet very honor and happy meeting with big delegation of Indian. We consider India is truly our father's land. Buddha comes from India. We are followers of Buddha. And then one institution in India, Nalanda.
Yes, Nalanda.
Yeah.
Education.
So we study, follow Nalanda thought. So when I visit Nalanda, I really feel something very moving. So now I stay more or less India. Now India is quite not only big population, but all major world religious traditions live together in this country. Thank you.
2, 3.